Hi guys, today I will teach you how to make a dotted shape. It's quite easy. All you have to do is to go to shape. You can make different shapes. Let's make a rectangle. Maybe a triangle. We need to have a border, a stroke, and like this. We go to stroke, and here we have dashed line. And we can choose the gap, the dash, how it should be. Difference. As you can see, you can make different things here. We have different options. We can change the way it aligns with the angles here. It's pretty easy. You can make it a bit larger. You can make different shapes for your stroke, for your dashed line. You can make it like this. You have different options here. So that's it. This is how you make it